So here is how to allow pop-ups on Chrome. To get started, you first need to open up the Chrome browser, and as you can see, I'm already here. Now, click on the three dots on the top right corner. After that, you need to look for and click on the Settings option. Once you're in Settings, you can see all of these options on the left panel. From here, you need to select Privacy and Security. On the Privacy and Security page, you will get to see an option that says Site Settings. You'll usually find it on the bottom. Click on it. Here, in the Site Settings, you can view many other options. From here, go over to Content and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Once you're here in this section, you need to select the option that says Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. So once you enable it, you'll be able to receive pop-ups and redirects on Chrome. And that's it. That is exactly how to allow pop-ups on Chrome.